Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of crypto trading and how the BingX platform can revolutionize your trading experience. We'll also introduce you to an incredible opportunity to maximize your benefits by using my referral code, CHUCHU. If you're looking for a user-friendly platform that stands out in the crowded crypto exchange market, BingX is an excellent choice. With its intuitive interface, diverse range of cryptocurrencies, and innovative features, it's designed for both beginners and experienced traders alike. One of the standout features of BingX is its advanced trading tools. You can take advantage of spot trading, futures trading, and even copy trading, allowing you to follow successful traders and learn the ropes while you earn. This makes it easier than ever to navigate the volatile landscape of cryptocurrency trading. Now, let's talk about benefits. By using my referral code CHUCHU when signing up for BingX, you'll unlock exclusive bonuses that enhance your trading journey. Whether it's a welcome bonus to kickstart your trading funds or access to exclusive features, entering this code gives you an edge right from the start. But that's not all. With BingX's referral program, you can also earn rewards by inviting your friends to join. So, not only do you benefit from using the referral code CHUCHU, but you also have the opportunity to spread the word and earn even more as your network grows. Remember, signing up for BingX with my referral code CHUCHU is not just about perks. It's about stepping into the world of trading with confidence and support. The platform's educational resources will assist you in making informed decisions, ensuring you're always in control of your investments. So, why wait? Get started today on BingX, leverage the benefits of my referral code CHUCHU, and unlock a world of trading possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more insights, tips, and strategies to enhance your crypto journey. Your success starts here.